All right, we've got breaking development coming in. BCCI Honorary Secretary Jay Shah has just announced a prize money of 125 crore rupees for Team India. This obviously is for registering that spectacular victory in ICC Men's T20 World Cup finals yesterday. Jay Shah says, and I quote, "The team has showcased exceptional talent, determination and sportsmanship throughout the tournament. Congratulations to all the players, coaches and support staff for this outstanding achievement." Karishma, quite a financial bonanza coming in there for the players.
Well, yes, absolutely, Priya. This is probably the biggest amount that has been announced in the last decade or so for the Indian team, 125 crores. I remember it was in 2007 when the Indian team was crowned champions of the first ever T20 World Cup, and 17 years later, Indian team under the captaincy of Rohit Sharma has done it again, and it is very, very deserving of the players, of the management, of the support staff to be awarded and rewarded like this. And Jay Shah taking no time to announce the prize money of 125 crore rupees. Yesterday he was there at the crown. He was celebrating with the players. He was as happy as the players were. And now the prize money has come, 125 crore rupees for the entire team to celebrate this massive, massive moment, to celebrate this massive, massive victory. And in fact, where we are is where the team hotel is also right behind me. And the celebrations have gone on up to very, very late in the night yesterday. And, the plan for Team India is being sorted, and it is going to be a very, very, big homecoming for the Indian team. And it is, of course, going to be a huge, huge moment when they arrive back in India. What at this point in time we're given to understand is that they are going to land in Mumbai, but the finer details of all that is being worked out. The PM also spoke to the team yesterday. Ravindra Jadeja, Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, all three big stalwarts of the game announcing their retirement as well. So it is the period of transition, and the BCCI announcing a prize money. Jay Shah, BCCI Secretary, announcing a prize money of 125 crores.
Right. Probably a question that is too soon to ask, Karishma, but with three stalwarts now exiting and logging out from the team, there is also a tough task ahead that lies for the BCCI and its top management. They need to replace these and fill these very, very big shoes.
Well, Priya, that's the good thing about the Indian team, the bench strength. You already have Virat, Rohit and, Jadeja going, but you have Yashasvi Jaiswal waiting in the ranks. You have Rinku Singh waiting in the ranks. Shubman Gill, such a talented player, was in the reserves as far as the T20 World Cup is concerned. So that's exactly what Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma said, that it is now time for the next generation to take over. And that is exactly what's going to happen. The players that were, on and off in the Indian team will get a permanent place, whether it's Shivam Dube, Rinku Singh, Yashasvi Jaiswal or the others. Ishan Kishan, of course, has to get his act together, but he could also be in the mix. Shreyas Iyer is expected to make his comeback in the Sri Lanka series. So the best thing about Indian cricket is we already have players ready in our bench strength, and we will have a strong T20 team for the 2026 World Cup as well, which will be played at home.
All right, 2 years to go for preparations to that. One hopes that the memories of the last World Cup and the heartbreaks are covered up and compensated for. For now, we will rejoice and bask in the glory of this T20 World Cup win. Thank you, Karishma, for joining us. We take a very quick break.